we will type Laravel install, then hit enter. Now the latest version of Laravel is Laravel 13. But if we search Laravel 13 install requirements, then we can see we need PHP version minimum 8.3. So we can't use Laravel 13 because we have downloaded the PHP version 8.2.12 in our XAMPP server. So we will install Laravel 12. So let's see Laravel 12 requirements. As you can see, to install Laravel 12, we need PHP 8.2 or higher. So we can easily run Laravel 12 in our XAMPP server. So I asked AI to help me to install Laravel 12 without Laravel 13. So he gave me this command. Now I will copy it and go to File Manager. I have installed XAMPP in local disk C. So I will click local disk C. Then here you can see XAMPP folder. So I will enter this folder. Then here we can see htdocs folder. So inside the htdocs folder, now I will open git bash here and paste the command and rename our project name. So I give the name of this project Ecommerce site. Now I will hit enter. Again hit enter. If it wants any token from us, at every time you will hit enter only. We will continue our video after the project is fully installed. So at last our project is successfully installed. In the next video, we will understand the Laravel project structure and start coding. So see you in the next video. Thank you everyone.